Hello guys, my name is Kunal. I am co-founder of Pink Commerce. So thank you so much first of all that putting trust on our program and you have come here to see the lecture or this video on our Pink Commerce affiliate program. So guys, one thing I would like to share you that you have done a very good thing if you will going to join our Pink Commerce affiliate program. The reason behind that is there are lots of benefits you will get. First of all, you can work from home, okay, any anywhere anytime. It is 100% free. You don't need to put any money on it, no capital required. You don't have to manage any stocks, okay. You will get unlimited earnings. There's no restriction, no skills required, no minimum threshold, and we will going to give you 24 by 7 support. Okay, so this is the most amazing thing about the Bing Commerce affiliate program, that you will going to get lots and lots and lots of benefits. So guys, before proceeding further, I will tell you actually what is Bing Commerce affiliate program and how you can take benefit out of it. So in simple, it is very easy. Okay, so guys, what will happen, see, when you will going to register yourself with this Bing Commerce affiliate program, okay, so you will actually going to generate links. Okay, you will actually going to generate links after you will register to our Bing Commerce affiliate program. So after registering, you will get link. Okay, so now guys, what you need to do, you need to copy that link, and when you will copy this link and you will share that this link, okay, this link with people with the help of your Instagram, Facebook and WhatsApp. So guys, so suppose there is a George, okay, you have a George as a friend, and suppose you have shared this link to George, okay, on WhatsApp. So now if George will click on this link, and if he will going to buy anything uh, from Bing Commerce website, you will going to get commission. So it is very simple. Okay, once again I am repeating, see, whenever you will going to register with our Bing Commerce affiliate program, you will get link, and you have to copy that link and you have to share that link with your audience. And when your audience will going to buy any products and courses from our website with the help of that link which you shared, you will going to get commission. Okay, so generally we keep commission as a 20% for every product and courses, but in some product and courses we change the rate, but it is generally 20%. Okay, so it is very simple. Okay, very simple. So that is what I said in the starting of a video, that it is a very good thing if you will register yourself with the Bing Commerce affiliate program, because you will going to get a lots and lots of benefit. You don't have to keep any stocks, you don't have to do anything, no money required, no investment. What you need to do, you need to put little effort. You just need to register yourself in our program. You will get link, and you just need to share those links with the people, and whenever people will click on that link and buy anything uh, with that, with the help of that link, you will get commission. Is that simple? Okay, so now guys, I will practically going to show you how can you actually register yourself and do everything in our Bing Commerce affiliate program. Okay, so let me take you to our website. What you need to do, you need to open any browser you have. Suppose I have opened Chrome, and search on Chrome bingcommerce.in. So now guys, you are in our website. Okay, so what you need to do, you need to scroll down 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 down. Here you will going to get this uh, area where it will ask you to get started now with the Bing become affiliate programmer. Okay, so what you need to do, you need to simply click on here, or what you can do, you can also click here, programs or affiliate program. Okay, so when you will click here, you will be directed to our affiliate program. So now guys, what you need to do, you need to register yourself. Okay, so we here down we have showed you everything. If you have any doubt, just go through all these. Okay, so now what you need to do, you need to register yourself. Suppose your first name is Kunal and your last name is Lunari. Okay, and you can put your email addresses. Suppose I put it as what's the email? Okay, Mohan Kunal Bing Commerce @gmail.com. Now guys, I have put the email address. Now here just very carefully hear me. Now here what you need to do, you need to put your PayPal email address. Now what is PayPal? So guys, let me search on it in Chrome. So guys, PayPal is just a company which has started in 1998 and which is the most legitimate and most big company where you can receive your online payments. Okay, so in PayPal, when you will create an account in PayPal, it is very easy. Okay, what you need to do, you can simply go to YouTube and search on YouTube how to create a PayPal account. There are lots of videos there. With the help of those videos you can create your PayPal account. So guys, with the PayPal account, PayPal will tell you to create one PayPal email ID. Okay, so whenever you will give that PayPal email ID to anyone, so anyone can give you payment with the help of that PayPal email ID. So simple. What you need to do, you need to create an account here. Okay, and when you will create your account, you will get PayPal email ID, and simply you need to do, you need to put PayPal email address here, whatever you have created here. Okay, so is that same PayPal email address you need to put here, so that with the help of that PayPal email address we can directly pay to you. Okay, so suppose just for a demo, I am putting this only, but you need to put that PayPal email address. Okay, I have just temporarily put it here. Okay, now you have to register yourself. So guys, after you will register, you will going to see a dashboard like this where you can see the overview of everything. Okay, so affiliate rate means what are the rates of any product. Total earning means how much amount you have earned. Total paid means how much amount we have paid you. Total refunded means how much amount we have asked for refund. Balance means how much amount we need to pay you. Visits means whenever someone will going to means that whenever you will wait, where is that this I have told you now that you will get this link. Okay, so guys, when someone will going to click on this link, this will show here how much people have visited your link. Conversion rate means how many people have purchased products and courses with the help of link you share to them, so that rate will show here. Okay, so it is very easy. Now guys, here you will see the commission option. Let's click here. So commission option, here you will get every of the commission overview in detail. Okay, so now there is no commission, but when you will get commission you will see everything here. Now guys, in clicks means you will get a detail about how many people have clicked on your link. Okay, so you will get everything here. So guys, now you can see here, on 5th September someone clicked on this link which I have shared them. Okay, but they are not converted, means a person has not purchased anything with the help of that link, that why it is shown not converted. But it is shown here that a person visited on 5th September with the help of this link. So whenever a person will buy with the help of that link, it will show converted here. Okay, so it is very simple. Now guys, you will see here payment option. So payment means whatever payment we will make you, it will shown here. Okay, okay, so now we don't have any payment, so it is showing nil. Now guys, one more thing I want to share. When you will download this PDF, you will get everything. See, we have explained everything, payments about. So guys, here you can see, you will see payment status is pending. Whenever guys you will see your commission amount, it will show here. Okay, here, let me close this one. Okay, so it will show here. Okay, like this in. So guys, it will initially show pending, but when we will pay you, it will automatically show paid. Okay, so hopefully you have got this. Now guys, one more thing, last is generate link. So guys, click on this generate link button. So this is the main part, how you will going to get the link. So it is guys very simple. Simply search beingcommerce.in. Okay, go to our website. I will tell you now how can you generate link of any product and courses which you want to sell. Okay, so suppose he click on shop. Now guys, when you will click on shop, you will find lots of products here, but right now we have only one product to show you. It is a demo product. Okay, so most probably when you will going to see this video, you will get lots of products here. So what you need to do, you need to click on any products which you want to sell, or any courses which you want to sell. Suppose you want to sell this product, so you need to simply click on here. Now guys, what you need to do, you need to copy the URL of this product. This is the URL of the product. Okay, you simply need to copy it. And what you need to do, you need to come to your affiliate dashboard, and here you have to paste the link and create and click on generate. Once you will generate, you will get this link. So guys, you have copied the link. Now whenever you will going to share this link with anyone, and suppose you have shared this link to your friend, and if your friend clicked on this link and purchase any product and services or courses from our website with the help of your link, you will going to get commission. So it is that simple. Okay, now suppose you have copied product URL, same you can copy our courses URL also. Suppose right now we have mainly very less courses. So suppose this is the course. Okay, so simply there are only 3 courses. You need to simply click on the courses which you want to sell. Simply again copy the URL of that course. Now paste the URL here which you copied, that become this URL, and paste it here, and again click on generate. Now you can copy that URL. Okay, so again I can show you. Now see, this is the URL of the course, of this course. Okay, BCom first semester course. So if you will generate the course URL and share this with your friend, suppose you have shared this course link with your friend, and if your friend has purchased this course with the help of the link, this link you shared him, then you will going to earn commission. So it is very simple. It is same with the our product, and same it is with our courses. So it is very simple. You simply need to copy the URL of any product or courses, you need to paste here, and you need to simply click on generate, and you need to copy that page URL, and you have to share that link with your audience, whether it's your friend or your Instagram followers or anyone. Okay, so whenever they will buy any product and services from our website with the help of the link you shared with them, you will going to earn commission. It is very simple. So hope you have got how our uh, Bing Commerce affiliate programs actually work. So it is very easy. Okay, first you simply need to register yourself. You simply have to generate link, and you simply have to share that link, and you will going to earn commission if that person has purchased any product and courses from our website with the help of the link you shared to them. Okay, so it is very easy. So guys, hopefully you have got understood about everything which I have told you today. So guys, one more thing, if you also want to download this PDF, it is very useful. Okay, it will going to give you very in-depth knowledge about how our affiliate programs work. So you can also read it. Simply just click here, and when you will click on here learn more, you will going to get this PDF. Okay, so guys, thanks for watching this video, and I will always suggest you to put your efforts on Bing Commerce affiliate. It will actually going to help you and help you to get lots of earnings. Okay,